First ever biofuel powered flight. The bioaviation fuel was produced indigenously by CSIR IIP from Jetrofoil, an IAF and 32 aircraft powered with 10% blend of biofuel conducted flight operation at Leh, one of the highest airports in the world. Turning plastic waste into liquid gold. CSIR, IIP and GAIL have developed a technology that can convert 1 ton of plastic waste and other polyolefin products into 850 liters of the cleanest grade of diesel. Bharatiya Nirdesak Dravya BND 420, India's first homegrown high purity gold reference standard developed through a collaboration among the India Government Mint, IGM, Baba Automatic Research Center, BARC, CSIR, NPL and National Center for Compositional Characterization of Materials. Kishan Sabha app developed by CSIR CRRI to connect farmers to the supply chain and freight transportation management system. This portal acts as a one-stop solution for farmers, transporters and other entities engaged in the agriculture industry. More than 1 lakh downloads and also available in regional languages. A plant based on wax drilling technology. It will produce 50,000 mmTPA of high value paraffin wax and 4,500 mTPA of microcrystalline wax. This will help cut down the wax import by 50% and save the foreign exchange of about rupees 500 crore per year. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RICE Smart Bangla.